In this video, I will show how to download website file backups in Hostinger. So click on websites, then manage. Now here underneath daily backups, click on manage. Here select your required backup. Then here click on select files backups. Select your available backup. Then next step. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Depending your file size, it will take some time. So once this process is done, select all files and click on download. So click here, so all files will be selected. Then just you have to click on download all files. So it will take the time depending your website file size. So thanks for watching.